Section 1. A New Dawn of Respect. The Supreme Court's Handbook on Disability Inclusive Language. The Supreme Court of India has taken a monumental step towards inclusivity with its latest initiative, a handbook on disability-friendly language. This document signifies a paradigm shift in the Indian judiciary, promoting respectful and dignified language when referring to persons with disabilities. It marks a significant stride towards creating a more just and equitable society for all. By addressing the pervasive use of dehumanizing language, the Supreme Court paves the way for a future where every voice is heard and valued. This initiative aligns with India's commitment to the United Nations Convention on the Rights of Persons with Disabilities. The handbook's release is a powerful reminder that language matters. It shapes our perceptions, influences our attitudes, and ultimately impacts the way we treat each other. By embracing inclusive language, the Supreme Court sets a powerful example for all institutions to follow. Section 2. The Language of Exclusion. Addressing the problem of dehumanizing terminology. For too long, the language used in legal proceedings has often been insensitive and dehumanizing towards persons with disabilities. Terms like handicapped, mentally retarded, or deaf and dumb perpetuate negative stereotypes and undermine the inherent dignity of individuals. Such language reduces individuals to their disabilities, ignoring their unique talents and contributions to society. The use of disrespectful language can have a profound impact on the self-esteem and confidence of persons with disabilities. The handbook serves as a powerful tool to dismantle these harmful stereotypes and promote a more inclusive and equitable society. It is a reminder that language has the power to hurt and to heal, and that we have a collective responsibility to use it thoughtfully and respectfully. Section 3. Respect in every word. Guidelines and preferred terms in the handbook. The Supreme Court's handbook provides clear guidelines for using respectful and appropriate language when referring to persons with disabilities. It emphasizes the importance of using person-first language, which recognizes the individual before their disability. For instance, instead of autistic child, the handbook recommends saying child with autism. The handbook also provides a glossary of preferred terms for various disabilities, ensuring that legal professionals use language that is accurate and respectful. By providing these guidelines, the handbook empowers legal professionals to communicate with sensitivity and respect. Section 4. Transforming the courtroom. Creating a more inclusive and dignified experience. The implementation of the handbook's guidelines has the potential to significantly transform the courtroom experience for persons with disabilities. By using respectful language, judges and lawyers can create a more welcoming and inclusive environment where individuals feel comfortable in accessing justice. The handbook's emphasis on using plain language and avoiding jargon will also make legal proceedings more accessible to individuals with intellectual disabilities. Furthermore, the handbook's guidelines promote the use of assistive technologies and support services to ensure that persons with disabilities have equal access to information. By creating a more inclusive and accessible courtroom environment, the Supreme Court is taking a significant step towards ensuring that justice is truly blind. Section 5. A Ripple Effect of Change. The handbook's impact on society. The impact of the Supreme Court's handbook extends far beyond the walls of the courtroom. By setting a precedent for inclusive language, the judiciary is sending a powerful message to all sectors of society. The handbook's guidelines are expected to influence language use in legal education, law enforcement, and other areas of the justice system. This will contribute to a more widespread understanding and acceptance of disability rights and promote a culture of respect and inclusion. As more people become aware of the importance of using respectful language, it will help create a more inclusive and equitable society for everyone. Section 6. Conclusion towards a more inclusive India. The Supreme Court's Handbook on Disability-Inclusive Language is a testament to India's commitment to creating a more just and equitable society for all. This initiative is not just about words, it is about changing mindsets and creating a culture of respect and dignity for all. By embracing inclusive language, we can create a society where everyone feels valued, respected, and empowered to reach their full potential. The journey towards a truly inclusive India is ongoing, but the Supreme Court's handbook marks a significant milestone on this path.